Hi viewers, welcome to Morlight TV. I remain your host, Morlight. Thank you so much for always joining us and Happy New Year. Welcome to my channel. I want us to talk about this today. There's been this talk about Tinubu built Lagos, Tinubu built Lagos, Tinubu transformed Lagos and those kind of talk. And I usually think that Tinubu's achievement in Lagos is overrated because, see, if he truly transformed Lagos, then Tinubu will not be running to London every now and then for medical treatment. You will realize that Tinubu is always in London. He's always running to London to get medical care or use their medical facility there. Now, if he truly transformed Lagos, then Tinubu should be proud or should be able to use the medical facility in Lagos if he truly transformed Lagos. He did not transform the health sector in Lagos because himself and most of the government officials in Lagos State would usually travel outside of Lagos to get medical care or medical attention. The same thing is Mr. President. He cannot even use the healthcare facility in Aso Rock for you to tell you how bad the services are, the healthcare services and infrastructure are in Nigeria. They don't value human life. And when I tell people that Tinubu don't invest in areas or sector that can save lives or that can improve the lives of people think, oh, we are just spoiling him. But that is the truth. You will not see Tinubu invest heavily in the health sector, in the educational sector. Look at what Baba Olowo did during his own time in the 50s and 60s, that he gave free education to all children in the western region. And that has helped us a lot in the western region. But Tinubu will only develop or invest in areas that he will get money in his pocket. That is the truth. All he did was to beautify Lagos and wear a new look for Lagos. He was busy focusing on the roads, the streets, the places where he will get quick money into his pocket. And we are not surprised that Bullion Van drives in and out of his house after he did 8 years. But after his 8 years, we can't boast of good healthcare facility in Lagos. We cannot. If you have to do healthcare facility in Lagos, then that means you are going to private hospitals, and those private hospitals you will be paying through your nose. But even Mr. Bola Ahmed Tinubu himself cannot receive medical attention, medical care in his own Lagos, and his own children and his grandchildren are all in London. So if he was really proud of his Lagos, if he truly transformed this Lagos, then his children and his grandchildren should be able to live in the same Lagos and school in the same Lagos. But that is not the case. They are all living well in London, and that is why I pity the Nigerian youth that are supporting Tinubu. See, the guy knows what he is doing. He will only beautify the face of the roads, of the streets, not even the street, the roads, and nothing more transformational that is going to do that will impact on the lives of the ordinary Nigerians. If Tinubu should become the president, inflation will get worse. You guys will pay for everything. We all know that inflation is tax on the poor, and on top of the taxes you've already paid, you pay more taxes. And see, your taxpayers' money will not work for you. Rather, it's government official that will be embezzling it, be siphoning it. You can imagine the recurring expenditure that was budgeted for payment of salaries recently in the 2023 budget that was just passed, about 8 point something trillion. So the politicians will be the ones taking all the monies, all the oil monies, while the citizens will continue to pay taxes, inflation, and everything. Is that the kind of president you people want in Nigeria? See, all what Tinubu did for Lagos was just a facelift. He only did a facelift for Lagos, beautified the roads and planted trees. That was all. Nothing transformational. Don't be deceived. Vote white.